Everybody, now we are going to start with chopper controlled DC motor drive. This DC drive are still widely used in traction applications in additional to armature voltage control. This energy saving features is particularly attractive in transportation system with frequent stops. Chopper drives are also used in battery fed vehicles. When energy storage system are included, very significant savings in energy are achieved. If the supply is non-reciprocative during regenerative braking, the line voltage would increase and regenerative braking may not be possible. With non-reciprocative supplies, rheostatic braking is normally used. The possible control modes of DC chopper drives are power control, regenerative brake control, rheostatic brake control, combined regenerative and rheostatic brake control. Okay, it has two types of choppers, step down chopper and step up chopper. So both step down and step up choppers output voltage will be more than the input voltage. A step down chopper is the output voltage will be less than the input voltage, whereas the step up chopper's output voltage will be more than the input voltage. So the control strategy, in the sense the average value of output voltage V0 can be controlled by opening and closing the semiconductor switch periodically. The various control strategy for varying duty cycle are follows: TRC and CLC. TRC in the sense time ratio control or constant frequency control, variable frequency control or current limit control. We go with the time ratio control. Time ratio control or variable time ratio control or constant frequency control always the beginning of chopping frequency F or chopping period T is varied, and either on time T on is kept constant or off time T off is kept constant. The method of controlling is also called frequency modulation scheme. As mentioned, this pulse width modulation constant T and frequency modulation constant T on. Then current limit control called CLC. In this method of firing based on the variation of load current limits Imax and Iminimum. When the motor current reaches the upper limit Imax and the thyristor is turned off, when the motor current freewheels and decays to lower limit Iminimum, the thyristor is again turned on. This scheme is known as current limit control. Already I told it as step down chopper and step up chopper. So let us see the principle of step down chopper. With resistive load, the voltage, output voltage and current also having this step down chopper, the input of voltage down to as ahead of step, which is called step down chopper. Thank you.